All right, this is chapter 14, lesson 2. Okay, we're going to talk about polygons. A polygon is a shape, or it's a closed two-dimensional figure or shape formed by three or more sides. So, if I had something like this, okay, three more straight sides. So if I had this, a circle, is that a polygon? No. Does it have any straight sides? No. So let me ask you this: is this a polygon? Does it have straight sides? Yes. Is it enclosed, meaning it's not open? So this would not be a polygon. Would that be a polygon? No. Even though it has straight sides, it's open right here, so it's not a polygon. So it has to have at least three or more sides that are straight, and it has to be closed. Okay. And make sure they're not crossing. So perfect. You can classify polygons. You can put polygons in different categories. Okay. You can put them based on the number of sides that they have. Okay. Or the number of angles that they have. Angles are just the corners right here that you see. So if I had that shape, this is one angle. And it's the corners that you see. So it says, look at the soccer ball right here. And we're actually doing this shape right here. Okay? It says the blue shape outlined in white is a polygon. Okay? Let's describe it. So obviously, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sides. Okay? And it has the same number of angles, which is the same number of sides. So how many angles does it have? 5. So if a shape that has 5 sides is called a pentagon. Okay? There's actually a building in Washington, D.C. that looks like a pentagon. And if you view it, if you view from the top, from up in the sky, and you look down, it actually is a form of a pentagon. They call it a pentagon. Okay. So the blue shape outline in white has how many sides again? 5. And then how many angles? 5. And they call it a pentagon. Okay. And this past week we learned that snowflakes have how many sides again? 6. And that would be a hexagon. Okay. Oh, everybody's seen a stop sign, right? Everybody's seen a stop sign. The road sign shown is a polygon. Let's see. Does it have straight sides? Yes, it does. Is it all enclosed? Yes. So it is a polygon. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides. And how many angles? 8. The same number of angles will be the same number of sides that the polygon has.
Two-dimensional figures. Mary noticed that all stop signs are figures that have 8 sides. The shape of the stop sign is a polygon. A two-dimensional figure, or plane figure, has length and width. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure of 3 or more line segments and angles. Polygons are named by the number of sides they have. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. Describe the polygon. There are 8 sides and 8 angles, so it is an octagon. Let's try another one. Describe this polygon. There are 5 sides and 5 angles, so it is a pentagon.
Awesome. Okay, go on to the next page. Erase that. So one thing I need for you to do, a triangle could look like this, okay? That has all the sides are the same length, but it also could look like this. As long as it has how many sides and how many angles? 3. A quadrilateral could be a rectangle, could be a square, okay? Could be a parallelogram or trapezoid like this, but as long as it has 4 sides and 4 angles, it'll be a quadrilateral. Okay. You notice that a pentagon, a hexagon, and an octagon have really nice straight lines, right? And that one, the octagon looks like a stop sign. Okay. However, these shapes are also the same. Okay, because this polygon has 5, this hexagon has 6 sides, and this octagon has 8 sides. Okay, it doesn't have to be a perfect shape like these 3 right here. As long as they have those the same number of sides, the same number of angles, those are the names of those polygons. You want to do number 1 for me, please? Here we go. So how many sides? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And how many angles? 3. Okay. Lily, what shape is it? The triangle. Is that right?
Yes.
Last time I checked, let's see. Look at the chart that I have at the top. Yes, 3 sides, 3 angles. That's a triangle. Correct. Triangle. Perfect. Go on to the next page. Going to do 2, 3, 4, 5. Just again, tell me how many sides, how many angles, and what's the name of the shape. And then 8 and 9 as well. So do that whole page. So when you're all done, you should have something like this. Okay. Number 2, there's 8 sides. Okay, 8 angles, and it's called an octagon. Number 3, if it has 5 sides and 5 angles, it's a pentagon. 4, 6 sides, 6 angles, that's a hexagon. If it has 3 sides and 3 angles, it's a triangle. And if it has 4 sides for 6 and 7, okay, both of them are quadrilaterals. If I want a specific name, obviously, yes, you're right. This would be a rectangle, okay? And for some reason, they also call this a rectangle, but also they call it a square. This would be a better name for this. But both of these, 6 and 7, both of those are all quadrilaterals, right? Because they have 4 sides. Have you ever been in a quad? Zoom, 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 right? How many wheels does it have? 4. 4.